Hi, I'm Leo and welcome to School.me. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how React works. Alright guys, at the end of this tutorial, if you think the video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have anything to say or any questions, just leave a comment. And if you're new, please consider subscribing for more updates. Alright, so we're going to start with something called a document object model, popularly called DOM. Now this model contains all the elements of your website, and it also allows you to access and update the content of these elements. Now before React was created, developers sort of manipulated this DOM directly. So whenever you want to make an update to the elements of your website, you have to do it directly. Now these methods or this process consumes a lot of time. So when React was created, instead of giving you access to manipulate this DOM directly, React created something called virtual DOM. Now this virtual DOM is an exact copy of the browser's DOM. So when you make changes or updates to your web page, they are first stored in this virtual DOM and before they are updated here. So now this saves a lot of time. So that's the basic thing that the React does. It creates a virtual DOM, and all the updates and your manipulations, they are stored here first before they are updated here, and this saves a lot of time. Alright, next up, let's look at the three basic or the three important scripts required for React. Alright, so before you start using or writing your React code, there are three important files that you must download. The first one is the react.js file, and the second is the reactdom.js file, and the last one is Babel. Now when you go to any React code, you must see these files. So I'm going to be telling you what they are, or what they do, or what they actually doing in your React code. So let's start with the react.js file. Now this script file allows you to write React components, and the next one is the reactdom.js. Now earlier I explained what the document object model is, which I said contains all the elements of your website. So this reactdom script sort of contains all the DOM methods that you need for this website. So an example of this DOM method is your render function. So the React DOM is a package that contains all the DOM methods, and it also helps you to manage the DOM elements of your web page. So we have a lot of these DOM methods, and one of them is the render function. Another one is find DOM node function and onMount components at node. So later I'll be explaining this render function. Alright, the last one is the Babel. Now this Babel allows you to transpile ES6 to ES5. Now this is very important because some of our browsers, they have limited support for ES6, so this kind of takes care of that problem. Alright, thanks guys, and this is my day 2 of 100 days of React. Alright, I'll see you in my next video where I'll be explaining what components are and the various types of components. Alright, thanks, and don't forget to subscribe, and do have a lovely day.